Hi, welcome to my channel, Techboy channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a handpiece connector and nut. Okay, so let me remove the quick connector. So this is your connector and this is your nut, and you could order those parts online or at your dental supply stores. So get those first before you do this. Okay, so problem, why do you need to replace those? Okay, as I mentioned in my former video, sometimes after replacing the gaskets and o-rings and water still leaks on your handpiece connector, and they're already new. I mean, you already replaced the gaskets and the o-ring and water still leaks, then probably the problem is this. Problem is you have a worn out connector, not even, or abraded, something like that. Those are the problem. And also another problem you need to replace this is sometimes, see those screws there, sometimes they are stripped or worn out. So okay, let me show you how. It's really easy, it's quick. This is the connector, and this is the nut. Handpiece connector, handpiece nut. Okay, so it's easy. You do is pull that like that, cut the hose, or you could apply this too. Sometimes you have a broken nose on the connector, so you could do that too. Okay, and then take this out. And first thing you're going to do is insert this in. You should insert that, otherwise you'll be repeating it. So get a I recommend you use a soap, liquid soap. Put that there, put that in the hose, or you could put that here too. Apply some, and here. It's better you hold this with a tissue or towel. Then you get a towel. Hold it like that. Same thing this. Put a towel. Make sure before you put it, push it in all the way in. Make sure they're seated in its hole. Push it. Okay, make sure you push it all the way in like that, so you're not gonna get a leak here. Okay, so try it. Simple, very easy. Okay, I guess that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.